Hi everyone, I'm Wei-Ting Wu, and today we'll explore how to use AI tool for data mining and research ideation. As shown on screen, we'll move through 5 stages: collecting real data, exploring it, using AI as an analysis partner, ideating the research topic, and arriving at genuine research value. Let's get started. Quick question: when you are preparing a report, do you search Google, Wikipedia, or go straight to ChatGPT? Hold on to your answer, because today I want you to reconsider that habit. Solid research starts with reliable data, not an AI-generated answer. So where can we find a big data resource? Taiwan's open data platform fits perfectly. It's official, government published, completely free, with over 21,000 datasets. So how do we find this platform? It's easy. Just search government open data, and the first result is the right one, data.gov.tw. This is where real research begins. A good data set is the foundation of meaningful research. The platform categories cover everything from healthcare to transportation, employment, and public safety. Open data is an entire ecosystem. Today we'll focus on one category, education. Use keyword to quickly find the relevant dataset. After clicking education, you'll see a large amount of data. We can use the filter to narrow it down based on our needs. For example, if our research focuses on higher education institution, we can select only the relevant data for further analysis. Here's the dataset we'll use: an overview of Taiwan's higher education institution. The page lists the field descriptions, publisher, update frequency, and the license terms. There are 2 formats to choose from. We'll download it as CSV, the easiest format for AI tool to process. This is what the raw data looks like. Rows and columns, no story, no visualizations yet. I want you to see it in its rawest form before AI transforms it. Each row represents one institution type in one academic year. Keep that structure in mind. When a researcher simply asks AI to analyze the data, this is actually what comes back. Dense number, tables, and the text is technically correct, but hard to digest. That's the gap between getting an answer and getting a useful one, and it's what we'll fix next. Switch to ChatGPT. Same fact request, same kind of result, dense bullet point and a long list. This isn't a clause problem or a ChatGPT problem. It's a prompt problem. A fact instruction gets a fact answer. No matter the tool, the question is what fixes it. The solution is simple. Instead of asking AI to analyze the data, you can ask AI to build an interactive dashboard directly from the file. If the result isn't quite right, ask AI for a better instruction. It will suggest options like the platform or a visual style. When you are unsure how to prompt, don't guess. Ask AI to give you the suggestion. Then pick what fits your goal. Here's a result, an interactive dashboard. Let me actually open this file now, so you can see it in action. Once we're back from the demo, it's your turn. Switch the year and the institution type and see what changes. Then discuss in groups. What's the most surprising number, and why do you think that patterns exist? Same instruction, this time with Cloud. The layout differs slightly from ChatGPT, but it works the same way. Drag the sliders and everything update in real time. This shows that with a clear instruction, any tool produces an intuitive result. Another option is to create our own website. On the right side of Cloud, we can see the HTML code generated for the page. We can then copy the code and use it to build or customize our own website. Next, I'm going to introduce another low-code platform, Google AI Studio. We can simply pass the code we copied earlier into the platform, and it will help us turn the code into a real functional website. Since AI takes some time to generate the content, I'll use screenshot to demonstrate the process. On the right, you can see the initial version generated by AI. If the layout or a text doesn't meet your needs, you can simply use the prompt box at the bottom to ask the AI to make further adjustments. Once everything is ready, simply click Publish your app. You will then see the screen shown on the right. Then click Visit, and you will be able to open and access the website we just created. This is the website we created using AI prompts. As you can see, AI can help us turn our idea and data into a functional website. If we want to make the website accessible, we can upload the project to GitHub and deploy it online as a live website. Now, let's visit the website and take a closer look. You will notice that compared with the previous interactive dashboard version, this website is much more detailed and includes more features and a functional section, allowing us to better customize it to meet our specific needs. Next, you can ask AI to turn the patterns or issues shown in the data into research topic you can explore further. Whether it's an undergraduate project or a master thesis, just like what's shown on screen, you give two levels: a smaller undergraduate project using case study or survey, and a large master's thesis needing a theoretical framework and methods like the panel data analysis or policy comparison. That's today's real payoff. AI helped turn a data patterns into an actual research question. After data-driven discussion and analysis, we did find some real problems. At this point, we can ask AI to take on the role of an education ministry official and share what policy direction could help solve this issue. AI can also provide a few example prompts for reference, so the researcher can choose the one that fits best and generate a poster, turning the finding into a visualized result. The policy direction comes together as a current challenges and vision, 6 major strategic pillars, key implementation measure, expected benefit, and the future outlook, laid out in the poster that's ready to share or print. That's the full journey from data to value. Let's recap. We have found reliable open data, explore and visualize it, use AI to power and analysis, turn insight into research question, and shape that into a project proposal. 3 takeaway. Research began with reliable data, and AI is a partner, not a replacement. Data literacy plus AI equals strong research, and used wisely. Technology makes research deeper. Good research comes from good questions, and good questions comes from good data and careful observation. Thank you.